Hey everybody, it's Jamie from San Diego with Hunter and Wyatt. And we are getting ready to go on an airplane ride and we're super excited.
Yeah!
We're going to go in that airplane right over there that Mikey's getting ready for us. And we're excited.
Yeah!
They've never been in a small airplane.
And I'm sitting in the front chair.
No, you're not. Hunter's going to sit in the front seat and Wyatt's going to sit in the back with me, and we'll let you know how it goes. Bye.
Okay, that looks good. Engine instruments are good. The fuel is charging. Oil temperature, oil pressure, engine gauges all look good. Doors are closed.
Close the window.
Maybe you want me to open the window here pretty soon, buddy. Tower's 2825.
Thank you.
Hunter, are you flying the air?
Guys ready to go?
Oh.
Okay, guys, here we go.
All right.
Here we go. Ground tower, Cessna 3594 Foxtrot. We're ready to go 26 right here at Charlie with a right downwind departure.
3594 Foxtrot, ground tower, runway 26 right at Charlie, clear for takeoff, right downwind departure approved.
26 right at Charlie, we're clear to go. Cessna 95 Foxtrot. 94 Foxtrot. That's there. And that's bridge. Transponder's on. We got our seatbelts on. Doors are all closed.
We're ready to take off. I've got the camera running. Taking these little guys for a little flight. Here we go. Sit back. There's the runway. Hunter, give me a thumbs up, man. All right. Good
Here we
job.
go.
Good job.
Let's go to full power. Alpha pressure is good, RPM is good, engine instruments are in the green.
We're flying, guys.
We're up.
Okay, folks, so we are now up near Mount San Miguel. It's the tower there. We got our little guy here. I'm not sure. Are you okay there, Wyatt? Good? He was hiding his face.
Doesn't want to be on the video.
Say hi. Hi. Hunter's up here, and I think he's having a good time. Yeah? All right. And we know Mikey's always having a good time.
Always having a good time.
When he's in an airplane. So we're just taking a little cruise, and we're probably going to go fly over the ocean and show these guys San Diego from a different vantage point. They can see how cool our city is. And maybe we'll go home and show them how we put our video together with our audio. Because that's what we're doing right now is practicing with our audio recorder. So we'll check back with you later. Bye-bye. We're going to land, Wyatt. Completely out.
Is he?
Yeah.
You can like follow me for a little bit here. And Cessna 94 Foxtrot, frequency change please.
Cessna 495 traffic, change crew, good place.
Thanks for your help, good day. Okay, you just hang on to that thing for 1 second, don't jerk it around, just hold it still. Alright man, we're going to make a little bit of a turn.
Try to advise ground control on initial cut.
Okay, let's make a little turn to the left, turn the wheel to the left, a little more, a little more, a little more, and then hold it right about there, back to the right just a little bit, right there, just hold that. Brown Tower, Cessna 94 Foxtrot, we're at Chula Vista Marina, bound for landing with hotel. Back wings level, okay, we'll hold that.
Brown Tower, say again, your full call sign in request.
I guess a Cessna 3594 Foxtrot with south into South Bay here at Chula Vista Marina, inbound for landing with Kilo.
Cessna 3594 Foxtrot, Brown Tower, make right traffic, runway 26 right, report down to be in the tower.
Okay, I'll call you right downwind, Cessna 94 Foxtrot. Alright, buddy, you're flying, man.
Hunter's flying the airplane.
Let's try a little turn to the left. Nice and easy, roll into the turn. And now ease it back just a tiny bit to the right. Okay, right there, hold that. Okay, now make a turn to the right. Turn it to the right. More. Just keep holding what you got. Keep her coming, keep her coming. Now back to the left a little bit. Back right there. Hold that right there. Perfect, dude. Okay, now roll it to the left a little bit. Then I want you to roll out wings level to the left. And now roll out wings level. There you go. Good job, dude. Now we're going to push the nose over a little bit. Right about there. We'll trim it out for you for level flight.
This is the 12 taxi without delay. Trim left next taxi across, runway 26 left, then contact ground 124.4.
Hunter is flying the airplane.
Okay, back to the right a little bit for us. Turn to the right.
The other runway, 61712. This is the 12, after crossing runway 26 left, then you'll contact ground.
We want to keep the wings level. You can look at this little thing right here that shows you that the wings are level. So when you go into a turn, watch what happens. You can go with me. See, that shows that the little airplane's turning to the left. Go back to the right. The little airplane's turning to the right. Back wings level. And now the whole idea is right now is we want to try to keep it wings level. Just try to keep it right there. Just keep the wings nice and level. Looking good, dude. Looking good.
Papa Hotel.
Wyatt's not going to believe it until he sees the video. Good job, Hunter.
Doing great.
That's something to talk about your vacation, huh?
Right on, dude.
Whoa, he let go.
He had to put his headset was falling off. He's like, man, I need my headset. All right, buddy. I'll take it from you. Good job, man. Give me 5. Good job. I'm proud of you, buddy. You did good.